This is a new molecule. It was a phase 1 trial. It's a novel HER2 inhibitor. So we have a HER2 oral inhibitor on the market, lapatinib or Tykerb. But what's different about this molecule is it's HER2 specific. As a contrast that to lapatinib that blocks both HER2 and EGFR. So this is a molecule specific for HER2, which is exactly what we're trying to inhibit in these breast cancer cells. The molecule was combined either with trastuzumab or Herceptin, which is a standard therapy, capecitabine, which is a standard chemotherapy often used, or the triplet of all three. And what we're seeing is really encouraging results. These patients were heavily pretreated. We're seeing a great response rate, and possibly even more exciting, we're seeing a great CNS response rate. So brain metastases is a huge clinical problem for women with HER2 positive disease, and we're seeing a good response rate in the brain. So a lot of the side effects from the HER2 inhibitors come from inhibition of the EGFR, that other target that's also hit, and that's rash and diarrhea. And because this molecule ONT-380 is HER2 specific, we don't see the rash and diarrhea that we often see with lapatinib. So this translates to great tolerability for patients. What we did see is we saw a few asymptomatic increases in the liver enzymes, AST and ALT, and these were reversible, and women were allowed to stay on trial after this improved. And we see a little bit of fatigue. We also, particularly in the capecitabine arm, saw hand-foot, a known side effect of capecitabine, but again, that was easily managed with dose reduction. So this is a really well-tolerated option for patients with HER2 positive breast cancer.